Run from the water and hide from the wind. Hurricane Ian took 151 lives from Florida 2 years ago as it came on shore as a Category 4 storm. The storm surge, the greatest threat, where 41 people lost their life right there in the eye wall as it pushed in. Hurricane Charley came in years prior in the same location. Milton will be a different storm, but ignore the words when you hear it's dropping from a 5 to a 4 or a 3. It's still a major. The impacts will be catastrophic and life-threatening. The storm surge, the greatest threat from the storm, as it gets back up to a 5 right now and then drops down to a 3 or 4. It does not matter. The impacts will be substantial. It is going to track from the west to the east. You're going to watch that eye wall contract and replace, and then it's going to get bigger. The wind field will expand with the storm. The tropical storm force wind will extend outward from the storm as it pushes west to east and goes over the Florida peninsula, and it loses its warm core. Before that, the situation is very grave. The wind history from the storm, you see where the hurricane force is around the center, and that's going to push in as we get to Wednesday on the west coast of Florida. Tampa, St. Pete. If this storm comes in just north of you in Clearwater, it is worst case scenario. Right now, the storm surge forecast from the National Weather Service, the National Hurricane Center, has 10 to 15 feet. That is an entire story or two of the ocean coming on shore. There is no greater threat to property and loss of life than storm surge. Take this threat extremely seriously. There also will be flash flooding from Tampa, St. Pete, back towards Orlando especially, where you're going to see rainfall amounts in the double digits. Thank you for watching Jason Nappy Weather.